Once again, good morning or good evening. So by the way, once again, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today is the continuation of our topic of corrected sounding. The four situation that you will encounter. And our video for today is situation number 2. And for today's example is the number 2 fuel oil tank port side. And we have the trim correction table here. So in the trim correction table, you should always aware of what unit on your trim correction table. So let's say this negative 14, negative 27, this 14, 27, 28, all of this is unit is millimeter. So take note of that. But in other sounding book, the unit is cubic meter, and sometimes there are also meter. But as my experience, I always encounter only the millimeter and cubic meter. But most of the time is millimeter. Here's our given to compute the corrected sounding. So always take note that we are computing here is the corrected sounding. So the given sounding is 250. So as you can see here, this 2.5 meter I converted to 250 centimeter. So here's the equation how to compute. As you can see here, we all know that in 1 meter, the equivalent is 100 centimeter. So here's the solution for that. So now let's go to the solution. And here's the formula of the corrected sounding. When you compute the corrected sounding, the formula is present sounding plus trim value. So the trim value we are looking for is here because we are looking for the 1.2 meter trim. So we're looking for the value of 1.2 meter trim. So now we are looking the trim value so that we can know the corrected sounding. So here's my technique on how to compute that. So I make the table here. So first of all, in 1.5 meter, there are negative 41 millimeter. So here is it. And then the 1.0 meter, there is equivalent of negative 27. You can see here on the table. But in 1.2 meter, there are no value. So we are looking for this one. So before you compute here, you should take the difference on both sides. So 1.5 minus 1.0. So here's 1.5 minus 1.0. So there are the difference of 0.5 meter. And then also here 1.2 minus 1.0. So there are a difference of 0.2. So we are looking for the 0.2 value. So here in the boxes, the meter, I convert it to millimeter. As you can see, in 1 meter, there are 1,000 millimeters. So that's why the 0.5, it becomes 500 millimeter. Same also here, the 0.2 meter becomes 200 millimeter. It because I convert it to millimeter. Okay, now let's go to the exciting part. As you notice, I put normal and experience base. So let's talk about first the normal. So on my normal routine or any bunkering or computation of fuel, I always use this formula. So as you can see here, negative 41 minus 27 is equals to negative 14. By the way, always take note, the formula I will always use is minus, divide, times, plus. Okay? So negative 41 minus negative 27 is equals to negative 14 millimeter. And then I divide it to 500 mm. So the 500 mm came from here. And then the answer for that is negative 0.028 millimeter. And then I times it to 200 millimeter. So we have the product of negative 5.6 millimeter. So the 200 millimeter came from here. So now we have the negative 27. We should plus to negative 5.6. So we have the sum or the answer of negative 32.6 millimeter. So as you notice, we are using the integers. If you don't understand how to compute this one, you can check our video about integers. I already explained this one on my previous videos. Okay, you can check if you have time. But anyway, so now we have the answer of negative 32.6 millimeter. So you need to convert to centimeter so that you can directly plus to 250. Okay? So, to convert the negative 32.6, so here's the equation. By the way, take note, that in this example, I use the 500 and 200 as you notice, right? But this only my technique. But if you use the 0.5 directly, so negative 14 millimeter divide to 0.5, then also here in the downside, you can use also 0.2. If you use this directly, it's nothing difference. The answer is same, negative 32.6. But anyhow, I only use this one so that it will make uniformly millimeter on this sign. As you can notice, all sign are millimeter. That's why I convert this one, but not necessary. You can directly use the 0.5 and 0.2, then you can see that the answer is same, negative 32.6. Then you should convert to centimeter. That's why you need to convert, then after you can plus to 250 centimeter. Okay, so I finished explain the normal solution. So now let's go to the experience-based solution. I make this experience-based solution because I always encounter this one when I was oiler, when I was fourth engineer, when I was third engineer, second engineer. So I always experience this one. I always see my chief engineer, not all chief engineer, but almost chief engineer is using this kind of a technique. As you can see, there are similarity of the formula, so almost the same, but the different only is the sign. They are not using the sign, so they always disregard this sign. But after you compute the answer, you already have the answer of 32.6. As you can see, is positive. You always see what is the sign here. Okay? So let's say for example, the sign is negative. So you will use this 32.6 to minus here at the 250 centimeter. So 3.2 centimeter minus 250 centimeter. So you don't need to follow the formula. So you forget this one. So it's depend on the sign if you using this kind of technique. So another example, let's say your answer is positive 14. So here, your answer is positive 14. So this positive 14, you need to convert this one into centimeter. So how to convert? So 14 times 1 divide 10, so is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Okay. So now you have the 1.4 centimeter. You need to plus to 250 centimeter. Do you get it? Okay. So always check the sign. If negative sign, you need to minus to present sounding. If positive sign, you should plus to the present sounding. In my experience, some of the third engineer or other chief engineer are always have mistake here if they using this one. Because sometimes they see this one is negative, they still plus on the present sounding. So in my opinion, I better suggest that you always use this one, this normal, so that you will stick with the formula. So the formula is always plus. So even you have the answer is negative, you should plus always. So the answer is 246.74 centimeter. So now you have the answer of 246.74 centimeter. So that was our corrected sounding. Then we are looking for the value for this one, because here in the capacity table, the only value that have is the 246. So in the 246, we have the value of 520.1 cubic meter. So there is no 0.74 value. Same what we did here. So you need also to take the difference. You can see 247 minus 246 is equals to 1. Then 246.74 minus 246. So this one, 246.74, I minus 246. So we are looking for the 0.74. So the 246 have the value of 520.10. Then the 247 have the value of 519.54. So to compute the corrected value, so you need to minus the 519.54 minus 520.10. So always take note, and when you computing also the corrected value, you always start with the present. So this is the present. So 519.54. Then when you have the answer, you need to divide to 1. So the 1 is came from here. So then after that, you need to times to 0.74. So the 0.74 is came from the difference of 246.74 and 246. And then if you have already the value, you need to plus to 520.10. Okay? So As you notice, 52.10, then he plus the 0.4144. So here's the corrected value in cubic meter of 246.74 centimeter. So as you can see here, I also make the table so that you can imagine that our answer is correct. So in 246.7, there are a value of 519.708. So it almost same. Our computation here is 246.74. Here is 246.70. So as you can notice also that in every graduation here or on every part of the table, there are the difference of 0.056. Okay? So for any question or any suggestion, you can comment down below or message me. So thank you for watching my videos. So see you on the situation number 3, which is the third part of this video. Bye!